Hello everyone. Hello aspirants. Welcome to KSK Current Affairs Analysis. This video is about October 7th current affairs. Okay, let's go to the topics. First topic is MOU for education for deaf children signed. For deaf children signed. This topic is part of GS prelims and GS paper 1 and social issues and GS2 education. Okay, పేపర్ 2లో ఎడ్యుకేషన్ గురించి అనమాట. ఇన్ న్యూస్ టాపిక్ ఏంటంటే ఏ హిస్టారిక్ ఎంఓయు వాజ్ రీసెంట్లీ సైన్డ్ బిట్వీన్ ఇండియన్ సైన్ లాంగ్వేజ్ రీసెర్చ్ అండ్ ట్రైనింగ్ సెంటర్ ఐఎస్ఎల్ ఆర్టీసీ ఫుల్ ఫామ్ and NCERT to make education materials accessible for deaf children in their preferred format of communication. Key takeaways: as part of this MOU, educational print materials including NCERT's textbooks, teachers' handbook, and other supplementary materials and resources will be converted into Indian Sign Language in digital format. Class covered. ఏ క్లాస్ నుంచి ఏవంటే క్లాసెస్ అవి మెటీరియల్ ఉన్నాయంటే 1 నుంచి 12th వరకు ఉన్నాయి. ఆల్ సబ్జెక్ట్స్ గురించి లాంగ్వేజ్ బోత్ హిందీ అండ్ ఇంగ్లీష్ మీడియంలో అవైలబిలిటీ ఆఫ్ ఎన్సీఆర్టీ బుక్స్ ఇన్ textbooks in Indian Sign Languages will ensure that deaf children can also now access educational resources. This will also ensure educational standardization of Indian Sign Languages as mandated in the new Education Policy 2020. Okay, important value additions. The Indian Sign Language Research and Training Center, Delhi, is a society under Department of Empowerment of Persons with Disabilities, the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. Next topic. Flight test of supersonic missile assisted to torpedo release conducted successfully. Topic related to defense. GS paper 3. In news, topic ఏంటంటే a successful flight test of the supersonic missile assisted release of torpedo smart అనమాట supersonic missile assisted release of torpedo system was conducted from Wheeler Island of sea coast of Odisha recently, conducted by Defense Research Development Organization DRDO, developed by several laboratories of DRDO. Key takeaways: the system will be a game changer in anti-submarine warfare. The system will be a game changer in anti-submarine warfare. The development of the system has been crucial in capacity building of naval platform to strike beyond the torpedo range. The system will be a significant addition to India's anti-submarine warfare capabilities. SMART is a missile-assisted release of lightweight anti-submarine torpedo system for anti-submarine warfare operations for beyond torpedo range. Do you know? A modern torpedo is an underwater ranged weapon launched above or below the water surface, self-propelled towards a target and with an explosive warhead designed to detonate either on contact with or in proximity to the launch. Next topic. New Director General of Bureau of Civil Aviation Security BCAS appointed. GS prelims. This topic related to GS paper 3 aviation in UPSC for UPSC students. IPS officer MA Ganapati was recently appointed as the new Director General of the Bureau of Civil Aviation Security BCAS. BCASకి గణపతి ఎంఏ గణపతి అనే ఐపీఎస్ ఆఫీసరు న్యూ డైరెక్టర్ జనరల్ ఆఫ్ బ్యూరో ఆఫ్ సివిల్ aviation సెక్యూరిటీకి appointed by the appointments committee of the cabinet. Okay, BCAS is the security watchdog for the aviation sector. Important value additions. The Bureau of Civil Aviation Security. The Bureau of Civil Aviation Security, it was initially set up as a cell in the Directorate General of Civil Aviation DGCA in 1978. A recommendation by Pandey Committee constituted in the wake of the hijacking of the Indian Airlines flight in 1976. It was recognized into an independent department in 1987. Ministry of Civil Aviation BCAS is the regulatory authority for civil aviation security in India. Main responsibility: lay down standards and measures in respect of security of civil flights at international and domestic airports in India. It is headed by an Officer of the rank of Director General of Police and designed as Director General, Bureau of Civil Aviation, headquarter New Delhi. Headquarter ఎక్కడుందంటే న్యూ ఢిల్లీ అనమాట. నెక్స్ట్ టాపిక్, ఇండియా అండ్ మయన్మార్ టు వర్క్ టువర్డ్స్ ద operationalization of the Sitwe port. This topic related to GS prelims, GS second paper, international relations. In news topic ఏంటంటే India and Myanmar have agreed to work towards the operationalization of the Sitwe port in the Rakhine state in the first quarter of 2021. Key takeaways: it was announced after the conclusion of the two-day visit of Indian Army Chief and Indian Foreign Secretary to Myanmar. The progress in the ongoing Indian assisted infrastructure project was also discussed. India also announced a grant of $2 million for the construction of the border hat bridge at Bianyu or Sarsik Chowk in Chin state. The hat will provide increased economic connectivity between Mizoram and Myanmar. Important value additions: Sitwe port. It is situated at the mouth of the Kaladhan River. It is also about to geography also. Sitwe port is situated in the mouth of the Kaladhan River. It is being financed by India as part of the Kaladhan multimodal transport project. The project is collaboration between India and Myanmar. Aim of the project to develop transport infrastructure in southwestern Myanmar and northeastern India. Nobel Prize for Medicine or Physiology 2020 announced. GS Prelims and GS 3 Science and Technology and Biotechnology. This topic related to Science and Technology and Biotechnology, GS paper 3. News: Americans Harvey J. Alter and Charles M. Rice and British scientist Michael Houghton were chosen for the Nobel Prize for Medicine or Physiology for discovery of the hepatitis C virus. Important value additions: hepatitis C virus. It is a small 55 to 60 in size. See here, enveloped positive sense single standard RNA virus. Family Flaviviridae ఫ్యామిలీ నుంచి వచ్చింది. హెపటైటిస్ సి వైరస్ అనేది HCV అనేది ఫ్లేవివిరిడే. ఇట్ ఈస్ ద కాజ్ ఆఫ్ హెపటైటిస్ సి అండ్ సమ్ క్యాన్సర్ సచ్ యాజ్ లివర్ క్యాన్సర్, hepatocellular carcinoma, abbreviated HCC, and lymphomas in humans. Unlike hepatitis A and B, there is currently no vaccine to prevent hepatitis C infection. The World Health Organization estimates there are over 70 million cases of hepatitis worldwide and 400,000 deaths each year. The disease is chronic and major cause of liver inflammation and cancer. The Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine 2020. The World Health Organization estimates there are over 70 million cases of hepatitis worldwide and already this disease is chronic and major cause of liver inflammation and cancer. So the Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine 2020, Harvey J. Alter, Michael Houghton and Charles M. Rice for the discovery of hepatitis C virus. Okay. Nobel Prize in Physics 2020 announced. Part of GS Prelims and GS third paper, Science and Technology, Space. In news, Nobel Prize in Physics 2020 has been awarded with one half of the Roger Penrose and the other half jointly to Reinhard Gingel and Andrea Ghez for their discoveries about black hole. Key takeaways: Roger Penrose used ingenious mathematical methods in his proof that black holes are a direct consequence of Albert Einstein's general theory of relativity. Reinhard Gengel and Andrea Ghez each lead a group of astronomers that since the early 1990s has focused on a region called Sagittarius A star at the center of our galaxy. Sagittarius. Their pioneering work has given to humankind the most convincing evidence of a supermassive black hole at the center of the Milky Way. important evaluations black hole. It is a region of space-time where gravity is so strong that nothing, no particles or even electromagnetic radiation such as light can escape from it. The theory of general relativity predicts that a sufficiently compact mass can deform space-time to form black hole. Sorry for this. Roger Penrose, Reinhard, Andrea Ghez. These are the Nobel Prize in Physics 2020. For the discovery that black hole information is a robust prediction of the general theory of relativity. So this is for today. For the discovery of a supermassive compact object at the center of our galaxy, Reinhard Gengel and Andrea Ghez.